Follow my lens to see the entire process of e-cigarette OEM orders, from production to shipment. First, we begin by procuring raw materials and planning production schedules according to customer requirements and order volume. On the production line, workers strictly adhere to the process, assembling, testing, and packaging e-cigarettes. With advanced production equipment and a rigorous quality control system, we ensure each e-cigarette meets customer specifications and standards. Next, products undergo testing and inspection to guarantee optimal quality and performance. We select the most suitable transportation method and logistics channels to ensure safe and timely delivery to customers. Throughout the process, we maintain close communication and coordination with customers to ensure smooth order completion. Our professional team and efficient processes enable us to deliver high-quality e-cigarette OEM orders. If you're interested in our e-cigarette OEM order service, feel free to contact us. We look forward to collaborating with you.